What are you doing, Tyler?
Oh my God! What are you doing? You're getting mommy all wet.
What are you doing? Oh. Yay!
You want to go swimming? Look, you go like this. Yay!
Oh, Andy's getting all wet.
You got mama all wet. Thank you. My bathroom units were soaked. I usually wear a Brand's t-shirt doing this.
Oh, you're getting the iPhone wet, kid. Come on now.
This is every time.